So friends, to problem asked to simplify the following expression using the BODMAS rule. As you can see here, this expression will break it down by step solution, and we'll learn some Vedic maths and some other tricks also. So first we calculate the 25% of 680. Of 680 is equal to, so there is a 25% is equivalent to the fraction 1 upon 4, and the word of indicates multiplication. So the calculation is 1 upon 4 multiplied by 680, and after cutting it down you will get 170. Now the second step, calculate the 16% of 525. So to find the percentage, multiply the number by the percentage rate and divide it by 100. So you will write 16 upon 100 multiply by 525, and after you can easily write it on 5.25. Now you can use a trick for multiplication. 16 into 5 you will get 80, and after the remaining digits is 0.25, and after multiplying it's easy, it's 4. Now 80 plus 4 is equal to 84. Now the third step, calculate the 22% of 450. Of 450 is equal to the commutative property of multiplication here. You can use A% of B is equal to B% of A. So this is the same as 450% of 22. So calculation becomes 4.5 multiplied by 22. Now you can use Vedic maths here. Divided by 2 and 4.5 multiplied by 2 and then divided by 2. So you will get 4.5 multiplied by 2, you will get 9, and divided by this you will get 11. Now easily multiply 99. So now here is final simplification. Now substitute the value back into the main expression and follow the addition and subtraction order. So you will get 170 plus 84 and minus 99. So first you will add and then after you will subtract. So after adding you will get 254, and after of subtracting you will get 155. So the final answer is 155. B is the correct answer. So I hope it is clear, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.